So you have this beautiful couple of animations, but they don't have a transition between them. To make the problem worse, each animation is multi-track, which means you can't use the typical Blender transition because it only works for single-track animations. How can you add a transition between them without losing a ton of time trying? Easy, with the powerful Global Transition feature of Animation Editor Pro. Just take note of the last frame of the first animation. And the first frame of the second animation. After that, click the Global Transition operator, set the first number you noted in the start frame entry and the second number in the end frame entry. Usually, end frame and relocation frame need to have the same value. Now select a proper transition length value and that's it. Let's check the global transition. Not bad for a couple of clicks, right? This operator creates a new strip to hold the transition and shifts the second animation's tracks and strips to fit this newly created strip.